Okay, so today we are going to make some heart cards. So if you want to follow along with us, you totally can. And if you want to find the full instructions, you can head to the Earlybird parenting app because they are all there. But first, what we're going to want to do is we need 2 different colors of construction paper. And we're going to take the red one and we're going to fold it in half. We'll take the pink one and we'll fold it in half. Good job, France.
Like you.
Just like me. And then Frances is going to take her hand and she is going to lay it on the paper so that her thumb and forefinger are touching the edge. So France, can you put your one hand right like this? And then Mama's going to trace your hand just like that. You hold it down. Good job, Frankie Bean. Whoa. Keep your hand still. Right there. Whoop. Finger, finger, finger. Oh, no, wait, we have to do the thumb. Oh, yeah, put it back. You put it back this way, right back where it was. Yeah, and then we do the thumb. So we are going to make sure that we don't cut on the folded lines. We want those to stay together.
My turn.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut it all the way out. We're gonna cut Francis's one little finger. No, we're not done yet, France. One finger. How many fingers do you have, France? Fingers, we'll get there, France. 4 fingers, and then we're gonna make sure that we cut out the inside. Wait, almost, France. There we go. No, you want to try? Okay, so yeah, you put your fingers through. Right, like that. Yeah. Yeah, and then you open it, and Mama will hold it for you. Let's move on to the gluing part.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Yeah,
so when you open up now, there is a little heart in between their hands, and you have this perfect little rendition of their 2 hands. We're gonna cut our card to size. I have a paper cutter. You can cut it with whatever you want. France, you can help with this part. Okay, you pull it down. Woohoo! We're gonna open up the card, and we are going to align the hands inside the card with the crease that's there. Are you gonna help me do the gluing? You help? Yeah. That side. Good job, France. Yeah, you need to make sure you do the palm. I think that's probably pretty good. So now we're gonna align it. And I'm gonna fold it just to make sure that it's
blueberry pencil.
The strawberry one, yeah. So there we go. And then on the front, okay, France, let's first glue the heart piece. So the inside part of her hands made a heart. So here, you need to glue this one. France, okay, you put it right on the front. All done with that. And here, if you want to do some of it with the heart color, you can decorate that one. And there you have it. You have a heart on the front, and inside is the perfect little love hearts of your kids' hands.